Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox Roblox too many requests. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox too many requests, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of Roblox. When you'll find this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You can update your application there, but you can wait a minute to fix your problems, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.